Hi everyone, so I'm back with another journal share for you. This one is a guest design team project for Enchanted Journal kits. They are on Etsy, they're also on Instagram. I will link their Etsy store below. Excuse me. So the kit that I used was called Autumn Fairy, and I decided to make an envelope journal. It's kind of like a mini album, but it's still everything you can still journal in it, right? So this was fun to do because I haven't done anything like this in a long time. I used to love making mini albums, but how I attached these envelopes together was really quick and simple, and I don't think I've done that before. If I have, I don't remember. So there was no sewing, like the binding had no sewing whatsoever. So let me just give you the measurements for this. So well, the envelopes that I used were this size here, and they measure 6 3/8 by 4.5. So technically that was the size. That's the size of them. You can kind of see that. So anyway, and this will be in one of my shops. I don't know if it will be Etsy or My Kofi Shop, but it will be in the description box below. So you can't see it now, but you can see little bits peeking through. Once you attach these, you kind of get like a, you get a spine, but I covered it. So you can, you can just about see it through there. Yes, so I used 8 of them. That's what I've done. I used 8 in total. And all the flaps are still there, so there's a lot of interactive pockets and stuff. How cute is that? That is really cute. So anyway, I covered it with this crocheted trim, and then I found this trim. I've actually put it away now, so I can't show you. So I just thought it was quite apt with this kit. This is actually opened there if you wanted to tuck something in, but I haven't because I just thought the journal was just sitting perfectly. So that is opened like that, so you can hide something in there. Everything is from the journal kit. Sorry, the journal kit. And we've got eyelets here as a closure and string. So I thought the string looked really cool with the this trim that I used, and obviously the colour of the kit. Right. Oh, I didn't put something in there. That's what I didn't do. I thought I know it wasn't finished. So yeah, right. So I will put something in there. So on here, I've just left that plain with this image on there because it was getting to the point where I don't think it needs to be any thicker than that. Just my personal preference. So we've got a pocket here, one of the images, and I've just done a index card with some stenciling and a little bit of the washi that comes from the kit and the words, and you can journal on there. And this flips out, and with these I made a boo-boo with them and I glued them completely down. I didn't actually want to do that because I wanted to make them as tucks, but still it's nice and it's decorative. We've got a cluster on here and a tag there that goes in there, and then inside the envelope I just made like a full envelope so you can journal on all of that. That's just some coffee dyed paper and a little element from the kit, and that goes in there. Done some stenciling here, and then on there that flips out, and then I just made a little flip up, flip down, something to journal on. Done some stenciling on that as well. We've got a pocket there with a tag with a lovely fox on there, and then that trim here. Here we've got another side tuck and the word Twilight and some more of that trim, just another index card there for you to journal on. And then here we've got a corner pocket, that's like a double tuck there. Just made this little tag here from all the bits and bobs, and then this one here, and then that could pop in there like so. Love the toadstools. Then that flips out and we've got a long tag there. And then here we've got a little pocket with just a little piece there. I've just done some stitching on that, and that goes in there. like so, and a little fold out here to journal on. You can take little notes and then a little ticket, which should sit that way. And that's what's inside that envelope. We've got another toe tag there. See, that's what I meant to do with the first lot, but like I said, I made a boo-boo. And that's just like, I had to trim that page down just to make my little flip there. We've got a tag here. How cute is that? A little tuck there. Love the apple on there. Another flip. Journal card there. That tucks in. And then here we've just got just a little piece. You could tuck things inside there, and then you could journal on there, or you could add photographs or anything that you like. So that goes in there in the envelope. Little cluster. You could actually, I mean, you could tuck that in there like so, but you could tuck something else in there. You know, I don't want to, you know, you've got to be able to use these journals and put your own little bits on it. Another little tag there, little pocket on the flap of the envelope. Another one of these. And then inside here we've just got another flip up, but it's just a book, a booklet, a notebook, whatever you want to call it. And then that just goes in there. And that tucks in there like so. Here we've got a pocket and a lovely tag. And we've got another pocket there on the flap with the tag inside there. That flips out. We've got this little photo strip there. And then here we've just got a journal card that tucks inside there. And here we've got a tag. 2 tags in this one. Isn't she pretty? We've got another flip there with a pocket on the flap, sorry, and then a tag inside there, and the word unicorn. I love the tree with the apples. And then here we've got a long tag that flips. We've got a journal card here, stenciling there. And then obviously I've got to put something in there, silly me. So that's a little flip up with a little notebook, and then a little pocket in the back with a little journal card in there. That goes there. And then that goes in there like so. So I have to make another tag for that. Or I have got bits left over. I can just make something and put that in. So yeah, that is what I made using the Autumn Fairy Kit from Enchanted Journal Kits, and I will link them below, so go over and check them out. See what they've got, some beautiful kits to play around with, and this is what I done. Yeah, so I enjoyed that, and I enjoyed doing the construction. So you can see that there, how it is. And when I first put that together, that was quite thin. So it allows for expansion when you put things in the way that I've done it. So basically, I'm just going to show you very quickly how, well, obviously you'd use something the full length and you'd fold it in half. Use something bigger than this, right? So that was my flap there, right? And then you could have your flap going that way, or you could turn it going that way. So I would have glued like that side, like I said, do full length and glued that on, and then you would do the same there, glue on there, and then do that, and then you would just continue to do that. So then you'd get another piece and do that with, again, using full length, or you could use a couple of tabs, like fabric tabs maybe. That would be an idea. And then just continue doing that, like so on and so forth, till you've got the thickness that you want, or how many envelopes that you want to use. So it's very easy construction. Yeah, so that's my little journal. I hope you like it. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.